Ito ang Laris Chica. Tony, sinaming hindi sila kailanman magbe-break ng kanyang ka-love team na si Bel Mariano. Ito nga ang pag-amin niya sa harap ng maraming mosang. No matter how many times we argue, no matter how many times we make mistake, at the end of the day, we'll still be teenagers in love. We could have millions of fight, but it won't ever be enough to break us apart. So please, Belle, force to fix everything with me, no matter how exhausting it gets. Let's make it better. I don't ever want to lose you. You've made me feel amazing in a lot of ways that I don't even know if anyone else could make me feel that way. You're the treasure inside my chest. You're the diamond on my ring, the pupils in my eyes, and the clouds of my sky. I hope you won't ever get tired of me, Belle. I promise to love you wholeheartedly with nothing else but pure affection. At sabi nga nung pastor na talagang ang relasyon or ang relationship ng mag-asawa or GFBF ay parang padlock yan at susi. Susi at padlock is very different pero they always go together no matter what.